Here on this page we can create the bonuses for the employees. Okay, so first we need to give the name for that. Okay, currently I'm writing as Bizcom bonus. Okay, then we have two options. So is my bonus paid on the fixed date or it is paid on the recurring payment? So we can select it over here. And if we select this fixed date, then we need to select the date whenever we are assigning this bonus to the employee. Okay, in the employee master. Now on the recurring payment, we can select it like this one, then two. Okay. For the yearly bonus, we have to select the 12 months. Okay. For quarterly, we can select it like three. Okay. Now let's assume that organization is providing yearly bonus. So from the starting of the first month, the amount will be deducted or will be calculated in the salary. Okay. But we have to create the salary for those months. Okay, and on the last month, okay, like for the recurring payment on the last month of this, they will get paid for all this bonus. Okay, so we can select it like currently I'm writing as 1 month. Okay, every month. Now is bonus as a fixed amount or it is calculated on the basic percentage or on the CTC percentage, so we can select it over here. Now we have to give this amount and the percentages whenever we are assigning this bonus to the employee. Then is bonus applicable with attendance or not? So let's assume that organization is providing 30 rupees. Okay, assume that 30 rupees is provided and there are 30 working days in that month. If employee do not uh, if employee has absent for the 5 days, so 5 rupees will be deducted from the bonus as well. So based on that we can apply the bonus on attendance here. Now applicable for ESIC. So whenever we are considering the ESIC gross, do we need to consider the bonus as well? So we can select it over here. Okay. Then there is amount deducted from salary. Means is bonus considered in my CTC or not? So we can select it over here. If yes, then we can select it like this. Then is bonus applicable with leaves? Means if employee takes much leaves, okay, as usual. So let's assume that organization provides if employee takes 1 to 2 leaves during this month, then they do not have any kind of the bonus deduction. But if they takes more leaves, like from 3 to 5, then the bonus will be deducted to the 50%. And above that, if employee takes from 6 to 7, then the bonus will be deducted to 100%. Okay, they will not get paid for this bonus. So you can select it like this. We can even select it with the unpaid leaves as well. Okay. Now there is another option remaining, which is before salary calculated or after salary calculated. Means whenever we are calculating the bonus, okay, or whenever we are paying the bonus, do we need to consider it before calculating all this pf slab or etc. Okay, so based on that, do we need to consider the bonus before calculating the net pay or in hand or after calculating the in hand? Okay, so we can select it like this. Currently I'm selecting as before salary calculated, and let's create it here. Okay, and we can even update the bonus on attendance from here, and we can see the details for the recurring payment for after every month here.